All right, number 35. Every Saturday morning, Jack reads for 30 minutes, plays basketball for 60 minutes, and rides his bike. If Jack starts these activities at 10:25 and finishes them at 12:10, how long does he spend riding his bike? All right. So this is basically a time elapsed problem. So it says that he does 30 minutes of reading, 60 minutes of basketball, and then a question mark, right? We don't know how long he rides his bike for. That's what we're trying to figure out. And then it says if he starts at 10:25 and then goes until 12:10, we need to figure out how long he rode his bike for, right? Which would just be the amount of minutes between these two, and then minus 30 plus 60 would be 90. So basically we're just trying to figure out how much time is left if he reads and plays basketball for 90 minutes, how much time would be left. So what I can do is I can think about how much time there is between 10:25 and 12:10. We know that there are 60 minutes in an hour. So what I can do is 10:25, I know that plus 60 minutes would then just be 11:25. And then to get to 12:10, right? So I can figure out, okay, so if there's 25 minutes here, to get to 12 o'clock, it would be 35 minutes, right? Because 25 plus 35 equals 60, so that's a whole hour. So 25 plus blank equals 60, which would get us to 12. So it would actually be plus 35 would get us to 12, and then obviously plus 10 minutes would then get us to 12:15. Okay? So that means that 60 plus 10, we have to add all of these up because that's the time elapsed, right? So 60 plus 10 is 70. I don't have to add them up in order. And then plus 35 equals 105. So this is 105 minutes is the time elapsed between this and this. And he does this. He does these two things for 90. So all we have to do is 105 minus 90. So 5 and then 10 minus 9 equals 1. Right? 0, 10 minus 9 equals 1. So the answer would be he must ride his bike for 15 minutes. And let's see. That is B.